Hello guys, welcome to Soft Asia. Do you want to change email sender name in WordPress site? For example, when WordPress send email to you, you can see it. The name shows as WordPress and the email generated by the WordPress. But what if you want to change WordPress name and email? For this, we have to add a new plugin. Click on plugin and add new. In search bar, type cv change mail and search. Install first plugin. And activate it. Upon activating, you need to visit dashboard. Now scroll down to the end. From CB mail changes, click on it. Here you can see CB mail sender name. You can add your custom name and add your email here. Click on save changes. After saving, it will change the sender name from email and also it will change the email. To check whether it works or not, go to plugins and add new. And search check email. Install first plugin. And activate. Now visit dashboard. From check and log email, send a test email, add email address on where you want to send email. And send a test email. On the test email, send it your email that you entered. Now check the email, refresh the page, go to promotions. You can see the email name and email change. This test message generated by the check email plugin. You can see the name and the email both changed. That's how you can change the sender name and email in WordPress. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.